In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for managers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and use a manager-ready template so you can standardize projects, organize work, and get visibility fast, without building everything from scratch. Start by opening Wrike in your browser and signing in. Once your workspace loads, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation. That's where spaces live. Think of a space as the home base for a team or function, marketing, operations, or in this case, your management toolkit. Click spaces on the left to reveal the list and make sure you're inside the space where you want this setup to exist. Next, look for the plus sign in the spaces area. This is your entry point for adding new items and exploring Wrike's pre-built solutions. If you don't immediately see it, hover near the space name or expand the sidebar until it appears. Click the plus and choose the option that opens Wrike's Solutions or Templates Gallery. You're now in the gallery where Wrike curates ready-made setups for common workflows. You can browse by category to see what's available, and you can also preview how each option is structured before committing. To move quickly, use the search box at the top. Type Manager into the search. This filters the gallery to templates designed to help managers organize work, run meetings, and track performance. Among the results, select the Manager Toolbox template for this walkthrough. Clicking it opens a detailed page that explains what's included and how it's intended to be used. You'll typically see a description, a list of components like folders, sample tasks, custom fields, dashboards, and sometimes reports or request forms, along with best practices for getting started. Take a moment to read through this so you know what you're installing. When you're ready, click Use Template. Wrike will prompt you to place it into a space and give it a name. Choose the space you identified earlier and keep the name clear and specific so your team recognizes it. If there are options to include example tasks or sample data, consider keeping them for the first run. They're helpful for learning the structure, and you can clean them up later. Confirm your choice, and Wrike will add everything for you. Once it's created, open the new area in your space and explore the folders, tasks, and dashboards. Skim the descriptions, check any built-in views, and verify that sharing settings match who needs access. From here, you're set to tailor details like owners, dates, and fields to match your team's workflow. And that's how to use Wrike for managers efficiently and confidently.